You guys are in for a treat. Let's go. Saddle up. Start those watches. Start spinning on light tension. Timer has started for this ULTRAMAX. We are combining some reps of Ultra. Show me 3, 2, 1. Start a stride. Already can't speak. We got 3, 2, 1. Top back. 2 more strides. Then we'll cruise for a little bit. Getting warmed up. We got 3, 2, 1. Another stride. You got it. Tap back in 3, 2, 1. All right, one more stride. 3, 2, 1. Get that forward, get those RPMs. 3, 2, 1. 2 rounds. So, starter, just get through the starting. We'll see how it feels after the first 7-minute rolling climb, and then we can assess how tough this ride is gonna be. Some of you guys who didn't look at the description are like, Tabata? What? And the 7-minute rolling climb. Never before been done. That doesn't mean you can't do it. Get that water. All right. Regroup. Get that breath. Almost done. 4 minutes. Time flies. 7 minutes is a walk in the park. If that park is the bottom of Mount Everest, number 2, 1 level 7. If that park is actually the tallest mountain in the world, then it's a walk in the park. All right, settle in. So rolling climbs, we got some tempos, we got some tap downs, maybe some power. We'll see. Clearly, I am on the energy train today. All right, energy train. About to be the pain train. Keep it up. You can do this. To lose everything you love and gain the world from it. So it's the spirit to a lost soul, a dead man walking. Yeah, and what's our heart when it's time? Rise level 8 in 2, 1. Already 1 minute in. See, we can do this. All right, level 7 tempo right here. Tap back slightly in 2, 1. As long as the moon is shining, as the world turns, we accustomed to violence, so the good die young and speak it in silence. Hear no evil, see no evil, but we feel it inside them. Living just to die, barely surviving. They say the truth hurts, so we back to the 8 in 2, 1. Hit that wall. You got this. You gotta wait before you rise up. Never wait until your time's up. Back to the 7 seated climbing in 2, 1. As long as the world is turning, as long quads should be starting to feel it. You can do this. Form check. Shoulders down, back straight. You got this. I'ma keep on shining, I'ma keep on, yeah. I'ma keep on rising, I'ma keep on, yeah. I'ma keep on shining. Hold it here for 20, then we'll fully tap down. Dust and bones. Dust and bones. Dust and bones. It's dust and bones. 5, 3, 2, 1. Try that water. Almost at the halfway point. You got this. Not so bad. Bring it up, level 5 tempo. In 3, 2, 1. All right, maintain those RPMs. Starting the second half of this doozy of a rolling climb. It's never enough, so let's You're surprising yourself. You got this. Level 9. Maybe we'll try a 9, 8, 7. Rise in 3, 2, 1. So much fun. Come on, Barb. We've been training years for this ride. All of those Everest finishers. You can do this. You should really feel those glutes here with that tension. Nice V shape. Come on. Work for it. Tap back slightly. Level 8. In 2, 1. Let's break out of consistency. Open up all of the possibilities. The timing is right, it's just you and I. You wait and see. Saddle up. Level 7. In 3, 2, 1. Whew. Water works. I put all my money on you and me. Switch it up and try it on differently. Breathe. Don't tense out those shoulders. So close. Final 90 seconds. Okay, we got this. Here we go. Still climbing, building and burning. Quick tempo, then we'll finish standing climbing. We got 3, 2, 1, level 7. Right here. Get that turnover. Breathe. Level 9 for 30. Show me. 5, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Level 9. You can do this. Final 10 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Cruise. 1 down. Oh my goodness. How do we feel now? 177. Tabatas. Let's alternate between seated and standing. 2 seated, 2 standing, 2 seated, 2 standing. 20 on, 10 off. Some of you guys hold that 10 level 6 tempo, up to you. RIP. We got about 20 seconds. Naomi's rule is do not die. So, is it Naomi or Naomi? I think about that way too often, honestly. We got 3, 2, 1, level 6. Naomi. Level 6 seated sprint. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Another one in the saddle. Glory days. Count your blessings. Come on, Courtney. You're motoring. 2, 1. Relax up top. Terry Ann, you're crushing it. Charles, is it midnight? Cruising. We got 5. Charles always rides really late. We got 2, 1. All right, out of the saddle for the next 2. Character building. 3, 2, 1. Level 6. Halfway. Keep pushing. 3, 2, 1. For that breath work. Another one. In 3, 2, 1. You got it. Halfway. Legs are on fire. 3, 2, 1. Breathe. Twice through in the saddle. 2, 1. Halfway through the Tabatas. 10. 3, 2, 1. Final seated sprint of the ride. 3, 2, 1. Don't tense up. You got this. Quick and relax. 10. 3, 2, 1. 2 more reps. Standing. We got 2, 1. Quick 20. Come on, Mark. Mark the runner. Let's see it. 5, 3, 2, 1. Lead. 1 more round. 3, 2, 1. Come on, a little harder. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. We did it. Woo. Officially going down. 178. Breathe. Fix the hair. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you surprise yourself. Get that breath. Grab that water. Amazing work. Leave a comment down below saying, I did it. You guys are the best. Leave a comment if you want a shout out as well. Thank you so much for being a member. I'm so grateful for you. Final 5 seconds. We got 2, 1. Stop that bike. Arbitrary 165, maximum 183. Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. Are you not just like endorphins are flowing? Thank you so much for riding with me. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.